Hi guys, today I want to share with you how to install door closer. We need to check for enough accessories. And we need to have this guidance paper for installation. Please note that the door closer will be very hard to twist with bare hand. Don't worry, it will work fine after you install it. Make sure you have enough tools before you install. First, you need to check your door opening from left or right. Put the guidance paper on the door. Do the marking for drilling the hole later. Make sure using the correct size before drilling the hole. Install the door closer with 4 screws. Install the arm and secure with 2 given screws. There are 2 screws with the door closer for you to adjust the speed and force. The swing speed and the force to closer the door. The bottom one is the swing speed and the top is the force. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell if the video helps.